don't want peace.
What's going on here?
What type of plane is this? This is plane. You are a bad boy. What be this? What be this? You joking?
You don't know why it's going on.
Just free.
You are a criminal.
You know my boyfriend. What was it? It's an important export. What is happening?
What be this? Whoa, you go in and sell that shop. You go in and sell that shop. Oh my God.
This work where you dey do now, your mama no say you dey do am.
What are you doing under the sun?
I was about to get something.
See engineer with your girlfriend though.
Nah,
Hey!
no, sir.
Hey! Okay, you are going to get something. What's that your name?
That one nothing happen.
Augustine. That's a very wonderful name. I love it.
You are a mumu man.
Could you please give me your number?
Not true. Sheba tell you now. You know,
I go there.
wait. No, go first. Watch. Hey, now make I go there. Wait, no. Go first. Mo know what you go do there.
Go.
Nah, make I go there.
Give me kitchen, man.
Jesus!
Hey, calm down. What is going on?
Hey, why get your number?
Child!
To the house.
Calm down.
Yeah, what an exporter. So what are you doing there?
I imported the blog, so I have to come and show them
You
how.
imported the blog?
That is always goes to door.
So, excuse me, were you fooling me all this while?
Not that I'm fooling. Wait, baby, not that I'm fooling. You know, things have been
I can't
so
believe this.
bad inside market, so I have to come and pour some blog for them.
See this man.
I am one. You know, somebody I know her. Tell them what
Is it your boyfriend? Yeah, calm down, relax. Is it your boyfriend?
I thought that was important. I'm important and then export. I don't be what I thought.
Okay, listen, here is a sign. You're working for me. You're not exporting or importing anything here. Stop fooling her.
I have to hear.
I think the man that will take care of you.
You see? You can't even take care of her. She's very beautiful. And you can't be fooling her around.
So how am I? You want a number? Okay, see me.
See, Oga, calm down. You see, this girl is very beautiful. You cannot even be able to. You cannot be able to protect her.
The ones I've been protecting before, uncle.
Okay,
What are you talking? What are you talking? The ones I've been.
That I need to
She needs
maintain
someone
myself.
very.
You need to maintain yourself.
Yes.
Have you not maintained you since?
Calm down. Can you hear me out? What do you need? You need money. You need money, right?
Yes.
At least I can care for two.
It's
for
a
both of you. I can do
That's the
anything.
way talk. What's it talk?
You need money. Like I love this guy. I don't want her to suffer. You need money.
No, that I know. It's not that see, you can't take my girl. You can't take
I
my
don't want
girl.
to take her from you.
You can't
But
take my
you need
girl.
money. You need money.
You can't take my girl. You
now-
can't buy my
now-
girl with money.
I don't want to buy your girl. I know you.
Eh?
I know you need money.
You can't buy my girl.
I know you.
You can't buy my girl. She's my
I know
girl.
what your problem is.
But you're fooling me.
I know.
You're not taking care of me. You're not fully responsible.
Relax.
I did.
I can help you. You can go and walk. Go and walk. I will see you later.
Yeah. But don't give her your number.
I wouldn't dare.
Don't try if it. You go see.
She won't give me her number. Oh.
Okay.
You can go.
Okay. Nah, I don't go there. You hear what I do there now? The guy, the engineer gave me some money.
You give money.
That guy said, I don't even like the girl. Sir. I don't even.
Yes.
You think that's me money now? Take this one.
My use one.